Alright guys, so the next version of this thing is coming together really well. We've got the actual linear movement part as close as we can, or at least as close as I can for the moment, to where the front steering assembly is. And we're still going to make some more tweaks on it because we need to move these up just a bit. And in this movement that you're seeing here, if you notice, when it goes all the way extension to one side or the other, it moves up or down. That's being caused by interference between the moving component and the backside of the differential cover. But I can't do anything about that because I'm using these twisted toe arms, and I've got new ones coming. Whenever I get them, I'll make some changes to it because I want anyone who wants to be able to use this thing to be able to obviously use one. But see, it moves good, it moves smooth. We're not having nearly as bad of a toe issue when your shocks aren't compressed, but on my rig they're always compressed, so it's not going to hurt me at all. I'm going to take this thing out and use it the way it is. You can see we're really close. I mean, we probably need to move the toe arm up maybe 5 millimeter and in towards the body of the vehicle 1 or 2 mil. I mean, it's very close, but I can't tweak it anymore until I get the new toe arms in. So just kind of a waiting game right now. Let me show you the CAD models and see what you think. So here we have our CAD model, and we're going to rotate around, and I've got this thing set transparent so you can see the airsoft BBs on the inside there. And so right now I'm using those airsoft BBs, but I'm going to change those out to stainless steel just because where I'm running this thing in the sand. If I wasn't running in the sand, I probably wouldn't mess with it too much. But there's 3 channels, a total of 15 BBs, and that purple piece rides all the way on them. And then we have these little channels cut in the side here so that any sand that gets inside the BB channel flows out, and those sand clearing channels are going to need to be opened up just a little bit more, probably 1 or 2 millimeter. Here we go with just a few photos. The back end that has the logo, right side, and this is where the inside is. I went with a piece of aluminum there. So, alright guys, it's coming together.